Alright, so in this video we will learn about the letter spacing in CSS. So if I go to the browser, let me just show you the documentation in MDN. So let me just zoom in. So as you can see, it is letter dash spacing. It can be normal, it can be rem, pixel and negative as well, which we will discuss. Once again, we do not know about rem right now, so we will be dealing with pixels. Okay, so as you can see, there are some of the examples here. All right, so my web page is loaded with live server, and go to the code editor. And for this h1, basically this heading CSS course, let's add a letter spacing. So letter spacing, and let's do something like 10 pixel, something like this, and go to the browser. And now as you can see, the space between the letters, like the individual letters inside of this h1, is now increased, right? It is now increased, and the letter spacing is now 10 pixels. Okay, so let's add a little bit more. For example, let's do 30 maybe. Not 300, 30. Okay, and as you can see, it is now a little bit more spaced out. So this is basically the letter spacing. Let's go here and let's do something else. Okay, let's do something like 15, which I like, I believe, and do here. And yeah, so you can create these sort of effects like that. Now what will happen if I do something like 0 pixel? Okay, 0 pixel, and hit save, and the text is back to normal once again. So the 0 pixel is basically the normal, so it is equivalent to do something like this, normal. Okay, yeah, so normal and 0 pixel are the same. What happens if I enter something negative? Let's find out. So negative 10 pixel, and hit save. And now as you can see, our text is now very cluttered. And once again, I would point out that this letter spacing is inherited from the parent to child, because as you have remembered, the course, this particular text is inside of a span, so it is getting inherited. Okay, so let me just go to here and let's do something like 15 pixel, which I like. Okay, so yeah, so this is basically the letter spacing. So whenever you want to space out the letters, or whenever you want to remove some space from the letters, you can use the letter spacing in CSS.